Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we are standing on board a 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. You guys have seen this model. It's been out for a few years and our market loves them. If you walk into my marina at any given time between storage and service, there's likely to be as many as 10 on property. This is a brand new one, finished in a black exterior. And guys, not all of these are created equal. At the back, this has a pair of 400 V10s. This is likely the preferential pick for this boat. There is a number of options you can do differently. This has a lot you'll see, and a few I'll point out you won't. Grill, sink, refrigerator, and of course, wouldn't be complete without a trash can. Sea-decked floor, stone gray interior. Of course, this boat has the rear sunshade, and what you're seeing right here is for the enclosure that goes around the rear of this boat. When they have a full windshield, they come from the factory with that enclosure around the rear. It'll also cover these half windows. Guys, this boat has an optional moonroof on it. It's a canvas manual opening moonroof. We don't see that as much. And also, when you see this vent and this control pad right here, this boat has factory air not only in the cabin, but topside, and it is reverse cycle. It will warm up and give you a really, really nice environment here, even when it's colder. Of course, it continues to be optioned very highly at the dash. Twin 12-inch screens, premium audio, things like underwater lights, automatic tabs, of course, that helm air. Guys, this boat is the right boat for Florida. If you want a 32 Sundancer, sleep a family of 4, or just have a boat that you can occasionally get out of the weather and day boat very well, you're standing on one of the best copies you can buy anywhere. That open bow, if you guys want to see the cabin, come give us a shout here at MarineMax Sarasota. Either ask for Jeremiah or anyone on my team. We'll put you on board this boat, and guys, we will show you why it's so good for all of South Florida. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. Guys, come visit us.